Good morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 5 of exercise 2.7. Question number 5 says find. They have given us the 9 parts. 9 parts is having different numbers. Some are having whole numbers divided by decimal, some are having decimal divided by whole number, and some are having decimal divided by decimal. So let us solve each of them one by one. 7 divided by 3.5 can be written as like this. Now whenever there is a decimal point in division, you want to remove it, the decimal place, count the decimal place, that much of the decimal, if the decimal place is 1, so you will place 10 to the numerator, so we will get 35 in the denominator. Now you know in 7's table it goes with 5, so we will get 7 1s are and 7 5s are 35. So our answer will be 10 divided by 5, 5 1s are and 5 2s are. So our answer will be 2. Very easy. Similarly, second question, 36 divided by 0.2, how many decimal places after decimal point? 1. So we will place 10 above, multiply by 10, divide by 2. 2 1s are and 2 5s are, you know it very well. 35s are 150 and 6 5s are 30, so our answer will be 180. You can also calculate by your own 36 into 5 and you will get your answer as 180 only. Now let us move to the third part. 3.25 divided by 0.5 can be written like this. You can see in decimal places in the numerator are 2, so we will remove decimal point, so it will become 325. Down also we will remove decimal point, so it will become 5. How many decimal places we have removed above? 2. So we will place 100 below. 1 decimal place is from the denominator, so we will place 10 above. Now cut 0 0, 1 0 from 10 and 1 0 from 100. Now solve 325 divided by 5. We will get 6 5s are 5 6s are 30, 25, 6 5 5s are 25. So we will get 65 divided by 10 and we will get 6.5 as answer. Because 65 divided by 10, we can place 1 decimal point towards the left side. So this is your answer, 65. Let us move to the fourth part. Fourth part is 30.94 divided by 7, which can be written like this. From numerator we are removing 2 decimal point, so it will become 3094, and denominator we are removing 1 decimal point, so we will multiply 10 above and below 100. Again 0 and 0 will cancel out, so our new number will be 3094 divided by 7 multiply by 10. Again divide 3094 divided by 7. Let us calculate with the long division. Also we can calculate directly. 7 4s are 28, 2 will be carrier, 7 4s are 28, 1 will be carrier, and 7 2s are 14. So we will get 442 divided by 10, which eventually become 44.2. Let me show you the long division also. What was the number? 3094 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, 2 will left, 7 4s are 28, 1 will left, 4, 7 2s are 14. So it was 442 divided by 10. Let us move to the fifth part. 0.5 divided by 0.25. Here in denominator it is 2 decimal point and numerator it is 1 decimal point. So we will write 5 divided by 25. Numerator we will multiply by 100 because we have removed from denominator 2 decimal point, and from the numerator we have removed 1 decimal point. So we will write 10 in denominator. Again 0 from 100 and 10 will be removed. So our new equation will be 5 into 10 divided by 25. 5 tens are 50 divided by 25. So we will get 50 divided by 25 and eventually we will get 2 as the answer. 50, 25 ones are and 25 twos are. Moving to next number, 7.75 divided by 0.25. Here you can see numerator also having 2 decimal point and denominator also having 2 decimal point. We can directly remove 2 decimal from above and denominator also, and we can write 775 divided by 25 without writing 100 divided by 100, because if we remove 2 decimal point we have to place 100 below. Here also 2 decimal point, 100 above, and 100 will cancel out. So eventually we will get 775 divided by 25. So directly you can also write like this only, but it is condition if it is having 2 decimal above and 2 decimal below, then only you can write like directly like this, or one decimal point above and 1 decimal below, then also you can remove direct the decimal points. Now dividing 775 by 25, 25 threes is 75, so I will get 2 over here. So 25 ones are 25. Our answer will be 31. Hope you are getting it. Now let us move to the next question, that is 76.5 divided by 0.15. 1 decimal point from above, so we will divide the denominator by 10. 2 decimal places from the denominator, so we will multiply 100 above. 0 from denominator and 0 from 100 we will cancel out. 15 5s is 75. 1 will be left, so it will become 15. 15 ones are 15. So our answer will be 51 into this 10 will give us 510. Moving to next question. Students, you can also divide these numbers by long division method. It is up to you how you can solve. 37.8 divided by 1.4. Here you can see 1 decimal above and 1 decimal below. As I have told, if it is 1 above and 1 below, then you can directly remove. So I will write 378 divided by 14 directly without writing 10 divided by 10. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. 28, how much will be left? 98. 9 will be left. Now 14 6 are 84, 14 7s are 98. So our answer will be 27. Let me check if I am not wrong. 14 7s are 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7. Yes, so our answer is 27. Now let us move to the last part. It can be written as like this: 2 decimal point from above, so we will place 100 in denominator. 1 decimal point is removed from denominator, so we will place 10 above. Again 0 from 10 and 0 from 100 will cancel out. So our new equation will be 273 divided by 13 into 10. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 1 will carry out, 13 ones are 13. So our answer will be 21 divided by 10, which will eventually become 2.1. Hope you have understood this lecture, students. Question number 5, it is very important. Please go through this video lecture 2 or 3 times so that you can understand properly. We will meet with question number 6 of this exercise in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.